Hello guys, my name is Alex and welcome to the Gameplay Addicted channel. As you can see, today we're playing a new game from the newest game series. The game is called Data Center, and as is probably in the name and as you can see on the screen as well, it's from the description, it's build, cable and automate. Assemble racks, servers and switches. Connect enough capacity for each app, earn money from processed data, and unlock gear and bigger customer with XP and reputation. So basically, we are employed by Elon Musk in that data center for Cork, or I don't know, or maybe by OpenAI, and we are helping the AI dominate the entire world. So let's give it a go. The game came out yesterday, and so far it has very positive reviews. So yeah, I'm always been interested in computers. I'm also I'm studying cybersecurity. I'm in my first year as well. So I guess this is my domain, kind of. But again, it's my first year, so remember, I might not have all the knowledge necessary to know everything. So let's see. What do we have on the screen? So we are spawned in this room, which I'm assuming is the control room, like the entrance to the building. And it says there in the left corner, we have reputation, we have XP, we have how much XP we make per second. We have money, which is 20,000. So that's quite a lot of money. I'm assuming this is like a startup or something like that. Then we also have income per second and expenses per second. And then under it, we have, I'll guess it's like targets that we have to reach. So we have to buy a rack in the online store and we get 50 XP for that. We have to buy a switch in the online store, buy a System X server, and then buy cable in the online store and connect server with the network switch. Alright, so I guess this is our PC. We have like something that resembles a Mac. We press E to interact, and then yeah, it's giving us a tutorial. So buy rack, network switch, System X server and cable in the shop, mount rack, optional buy patch panel, pass a device for cable management, and optional use push trolley. Okay, so patch panel. Okay, I'm gonna buy that as well, and maybe we can figure it out. So where is the shop? We have to buy a System X. Yeah, did I buy it already? Because it looks like it got. Okay, so I guess I added it to the what do you call it? What happens if I remove it? Does it come back? Doesn't look like it. Let's do it again. Yeah, you see it's not there anymore. So once you click it, the task disappears straight away. And then we also have to buy a switch. We can buy a rack, cabinet, a patch panel, some copper cable, and then that's about it. And then we check out. So this is a total of 2,650. So I'm gonna assume it's dollars, but in the game it doesn't say anything. So I bought all these. What do we have here? Let's just explore a bit before. Yeah, so we have a drawing board here. We have a coffee machine with some stuff. I think this might be like my dream job, to be honest. It's not that I don't like socializing. It's, I don't know how to explain it. I don't like it, but I like it, but I don't like it, if that makes any sense. Like there's moments for it and there's moments where you just want to be alone and you don't want all this shit, all the clutter. Like my job now, I have to constantly interact with my manager, with my people that I'm responsible for, and blah 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 blah, all this stuff. But this job, especially if you are your own boss, can you imagine? Probably the best thing ever. And then maybe you can employ people to do certain tasks that you want maybe to automate rather than you doing it all the time. So yeah, I'm using, so I got the cable, I got the server, I guess. This is the, for the cable management, I'm assuming, and this is the rack. Well, at least that's what I think it is. Is there anything? Yeah, okay, so this is for the cable management, my bad. So then what, wow, this is the switch. Okay. So I haven't been in this room yet, but I guess this is where the servers are. A nice, chill, and cool room. Wait. Oops. I sneezed. Sorry about that. How can I... Okay, release by queue. My bad. So I'm gonna take first the rack. And I guess I can just put it there. Okay. So once we get the first one going, we can easily get the rest going as well. So this is how a rack looks. We got some fans there. Do we have anything else? Oh, I can't crouch. Oh, fair enough. Let's take the server and let's put it at the top. Why not? Okay. We have the switch, and I'm assuming it will go in the other direction. Right. So right at the back. I mean, this is the front, obviously, but all the ports are at the back. And then I'm not exactly sure how to use this. Can I just attach it here? Okay, let me have a look. Oh, so that's an extra. Okay, so that's an extra slot. Can I remove it and then add it here? Okay, so I guess it's supposed to go like that. I don't know, how is it actually connected to the server? I have a feeling I'm missing something. Let me just have a look. Or is it the case that, okay, I think I got it. Well, let's put it here. Let's put this one here. I think I know, but I'm just trying just in case. Maybe I'm stupid. So this goes in there. Can I put this here? Okay, so that goes under. So obviously, I guess how it will work, you connect one of these to one of these, and then you have extras. But yeah, let's use the cable now. So this is the main thing. Actually, no, let's go from the server, right? No cable found. What? Okay. Buy cable in online store, connect server with network switch. So yeah, I need to do this, which I've done. But that's not good cable management. I don't like that. Let me drop this and let me move it a bit differently. I'm gonna put this one here, quick. Can I remove the cable? Oh shit, I'm locked. Remove cable, okay, right click. Okay. Let's put this one here. And let's take this one. Put it there. Well, I lost 0.0, so 0.1 meter of cable. So I'm gonna connect this. and connect it right here. Sign first customer. Before this, recommended to have 8 servers already connected. 8 servers. What? I'm really confused. I really don't know how this works. So this is a server, this is a switch. Yeah, maybe I should have learned a bit more about this before starting. Okay, so it's already connected. And then if I start connecting these ones to these ones, and what's that gonna do? Pretty much nothing. What's this? Bermuda Triangle backup. Okay. Yeah, if you guys have any advice in the comments, let me know. And oh, there's some beers there and a radio as well. If you guys have any advice as well, yeah, let me know in the comments. Let me see. Maybe I can understand something. So from this to switch, no LACP STP block. From switch to switch, no LSP. So it has to be customer, border spine, leaf, servers. What? Sign first customer. Before this, recommended to have. Okay, let me just have a look. Network map. Servers, not even. I have 0 servers. Do I have to turn you on? I have to turn you on, I guess. Let's have a look. Switched on. Switched on. That doesn't really look like cable management to me. So let's remove these ones. And this one, obviously, as well. So, the server is connected to the switch. The switch, I know, splits the connection into multiple ones. But then this one, what does this one actually do? So let me have a look at the total devices. So we have one server, one switch, customer base 0, cable connections 1. So do I just connect all the things together? Asset management. So I have one server and they want me to have 8, right? Have 8 servers. So let's just buy 8. I mean 7 more. So I just bought 7 more. Let's get the trolley. And we can take this with us as well. I think the switch, right? I should only use the switch on one of the servers to connect it to the internet. I think that's the goal, at least in my mind. So there's two connections. But where is this going? That doesn't make any sense. Like, where is the server connecting to? To what? Where's the Ethernet? Where's the... Aha. So I'm cabling the servers to the switch. Cable the switch to the customer base. What is the customer base? Well, let me... Oh, so I already chose this. Aha, so each one of these UFO download station tax haven. Requirements 80,000 IOPS. Okay, so I'll just keep this one. So let me remove this one. I'll take one server, I'll put it here. The only server. Put this one here. So we need the power of all the servers that we have connected to the switch. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Right. So let's take the trolley. And we're just gonna go get all those servers on this cart, on this trolley. And then we're gonna try and work this out. And then time to production. I have 9 minutes left. What? Okay, let's take all of them. Ooh, I didn't know that we have timer. I just saw it now. I'm moving quick. I think we might be able to do it in 9 minutes. And I have penalty of -10 if I don't do it quick enough. Okay. So, taking first server, or maybe second server actually. No, I don't like that. Yes. Another one. Another one. And another one. The last one. Okay, nice. These ones at the bottom are not perfectly there. Well, let's see if we can. We got time, guys. It's only 8 minutes left now. It's okay. No rush. I'm not stressing. I'm quite good actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn all of them on. I'm gonna switch this. Oh, I can't switch them until they connected to each other. Okay. So we're taking this, connecting to the switch. No, not like that. I don't like it like that. Let's do it how they showed it. And then connecting to this one. And this one, this one, this one, this one. And this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And then this one, into this one, into this one, into this one, into this one, and then there. Almost, guys. We're trying our best here to make it look nice. And I'm really curious if it's actually gonna work. I hope it's gonna work. I think after this game, if I manage to do this and I understand the concepts, I think I'll just start building my own database, to be honest. I'll just start with one server, find one client, and then get on with it. That client is going to pay for my second server. Then I'm going to have another one, and another one, and another one. Okay, so all servers are connected right now. Let's turn them on. And we're turning on the switch as well. So how much did they say? 40,000. So that's 10, 20. Okay, so I got 40. That's good. So now the switch, from the switch, and to go and connect it here. Wait, can I go? Of course I can go at the top. Okay, so from there, I'm gonna connect it right here. And then from here, I'm gonna connect it there. And let's go this way. Wait, what? No, 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 no. Why is it doing this? Oh no, it actually went. Okay, my bad. I thought it wouldn't work. But it did work. Okay. So I have to go right here. And then from there, to be exactly here. I don't know what the difference is between these two. I will go for the yellow one though. So, well, let's go for the first one. Missing SFP module. Okay, so let's go for this one. I'm gonna drop this. All the servers are there. Can I write anything? No, I can't. I don't have a customer, so what are they trying to say? $16, okay. So they're all connected to each other technically. So these are all the servers. And everything is on. So how do I connect everything? I'm so confused. Is the switch on? Ah, okay, right. Yo, I'm losing this. I have 3 more minutes. Okay. I guess that's the client. And now what? Server IP. What did they say was the server IP? 10.2.19.0. Is that the one? Wait. 10. No connection. Oh, each server has to have their own IP. Are you okay? Fuck. 10. I even forgot. I already forgot. Oh my god. 10.2.19.0. So 10.2.19.0 point. What was it? Wait, what? 157.2.2.2. Yo, guys, you really need to know all this stuff to actually make this. I think I'm just gonna fail. Okay, okay, okay. 14 usable IPs, right? 157.2.2 hints. I'm super confused. Can I? Oh yeah, tutorial. Okay, so let's see. Ah, fuck. I should have done this. IP addresses. What is an IP? Yeah, I know what an IP is, but I don't know how to use it, basically. But this game is so in depth, I can't believe. Yeah, so I'm basically failing that, but at least I can understand. So video mount rack, I can do that. Video setup IP. So let's see. Cable the servers to a switch. Cable the switch to the customer base, yeah, which I've done. Remember the customer application subnet. Turn on the server network switch. Set the current customer based on the logo. Insert the right IP based on the customer application. First will be xxx.2, then point 3. Aha! Okay. So it'll be 10.2.19.1. Each one is going to be like that. Right. 10.2.19.1. Duplicate IP address. What? Where's the duplication here? Point 2. Yo, I've done it. I connected 5,000. Okay. 10.2.19.3. No, fuck. Clear. 10.2.19.19.3. Okay. 9 seconds left. There's no chance, guys. There's no chance. I got 10.2.19.4. Oh, expired, but it's still there, so I might still be able to get something, I guess. 10.2.19.5. Okay, clear. 10.2.19.6. And then 10.2.19.7. And then clear 10.2.19.8. And the last one, 10.2.19.9. So I've successfully done it, but not in time, unfortunately. You see, when the tutorials are the most important thing. Sign more customers. Pro tip, check the requirements first, prepare the servers, and then sign the customers. Expand your data center. Pro tip, don't open all the walls. Create compartments or rooms. Okay. End of life. The EOL timer indicates how long your hardware is safe. When the timer runs out, the server will display a yellow warning mark, meaning it will fail after that point. If a device fails, it will show a red error mark and stop working. You need to replace it yourself or send a technician to do it for you. In that case, you have to recable the device. How to use technicians. Hire a technician in the hire menu in the PC. Go to the system management menu in the PC, filter by broken devices, click the send technician button to confirm. Tasks are queued and assigned to available technicians. Okay. But where is this red gonna show? Well, I guess we're gonna see it blinking or something like that. I think it would have been better if I would have, like, this server area would have been here. But I guess it's okay there as well. I'm gonna leave the cable right here. It's 1,000 to extend this, but I don't need to extend. I don't need any type of extension right now. And let's see how many will actually wait. So this one, the that joke database requires 80,000. So the other one required 40,000, and now that was 8 servers. This one will require 16. Let's just have a look, right? I'm gonna have a look. So this is for wait, 5,000, yeah? So we're gonna need 16 of those. And then I can unlock this for 2200 XP. So I'm making 13 XP per second. Income spent 4. And then what's the expenses? Because I want to see if I'm actually making... Oh, so there's no expenses for me at the moment. And I have a reputation of 11. Money is 14,951. And I'm making 4, let's say, dollars per second. That's not bad. I keep looking at this like I know anything about it, but I have no clue. But I think this game will really help me in the future. So let's see, are we able to fit 16 in the rack, or are we able to upgrade the rack? 800 by 800. Okay. Can we not just make another one of these? Oh no, so that's the maximum. Okay, so this, the Bermuda Triangle backup, that's the... So this one requires even more. So I have to do this one. System X server requirements 80,000. So let's see again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I might have to put 2 servers in this one. I don't know if it will actually work, but let's just buy... I'm gonna buy 16 servers. Okay. I'm gonna buy a switch. Yeah, which has 16. And I'm gonna buy another cabinet. So let's give it a go. Let's see if we can make this work this time. And I will not click to start the mission or the contract with the customer until I think I'm actually ready. So for now, I'll just leave it like this. At least it gives you the information and you know what to expect from your customer. So I guess that's good. Oh shit, I can take them from the shelves. I don't think I was supposed to do that. It looks like a bug, but fair enough. Let's take this. Let's take this. This as well. Whoa, whoa, easy, tiger. Where are you going? Whoops. Okay. That's a lot of servers, guys. That's a lot of servers. Also, I want to remind you, if you enjoyed this video, and if you think that you want to play the game, again, give it a go. You can find it in the description, as always. I am not aware of any demo of this game. I think there might be one. But otherwise, if there is, I will definitely put the link in the description. So you should give it a look. See if you like it, see if you don't like it. But yeah, my first impression so far, I really enjoy it. Even though I don't understand much. Like, I can understand what databases do and stuff like that, but I can't understand much more than that because I'm not versed in this subject. But I hope to be soon, actually. And I bet this game is gonna help me make that happen. Or at least that's the goal from the moment I started this game. Alright, so that's one. I really hope they're gonna fit. Like all 16 of them. That's 2. Because it's 800 by 800, so it should be okay, I think. Let's try to not leave any space, so that's 3. That's 4. That's 5. 6. And then 7. Yeah, let me take this one and drop it here. And then let's go back, get the rest. And let's see, maybe this time we can actually have a successful mission with the customer. I hope so, at least. Take this one, put it here. Take this one. Can I take multiple? No, I can't. Can I actually switch? Let me just have a look. Can I switch this? Aha, device needs a rack. I can't switch it on until it's attached. I am curious if is the rack also powering the servers? And if so, how are they exactly doing it? Is there like a, like when you slide them in, is there like a power thing? Okay, I can't put any more. So I'm gonna put this one here. Nice. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that half and half? It looks like it might be half. Right. Let's hope they will fit, and including the switch. And just to clarify, yeah, I did mention at the beginning that I'm doing cybersecurity. It's my first year, and I wanna specify that it's also my second month. Yeah, so I don't want you guys to judge me too hard. It is literally my second month, so yeah, because I started like end of January, so now it's April, so it's 2 months of doing this. So I'm still learning, and I'm eager to learn. The more I learn, the more I don't cry myself to sleep. Okay. So we have 2 more. Is it gonna fit? Is it actually gonna fit? I have a feeling it might not. Oh shit, it actually does. But I think it does. No, it's full to the brink. Am I missing something? Did I do something wrong? Probably not. So I'll just put that one there. So now I have enough, I guess. Let's see if we can put the switch there as well. Yes, the switch fits. So that one will need to be connected here, which I'm pretty sure we can do. So let's give it a go. So I'm gonna go from here to here, and then here. This one, nice. I don't know why on this one I went like each individual one when I could just went from here. I could have went directly to the top. I guess I didn't think about it, to be honest. So look, I can go here. No, what was that? Oh, is that the power? That is the power. Okay, so we do have power. So I can go to this, and then at the top, and then connect to the first one, and then this one, here, here, at the top again, connected to the second one. It is hard work if you think about it, guys. Let me just do a bit of a difference here. Like, you need to follow everything, and you need to know exactly where everything goes. And if you make a mistake, that's it. Like, you're kind of done for the time being. Because once you make all this mess, who the fuck is gonna figure it out I don't think anyone is gonna figure it out anymore. Connect it there. Then I'm gonna connect it here. I don't even know why I did it like that, but fair enough. This one, connect it here, and then there. Yeah. No, this one, yes. Here, top, and then this one. This one. Oh, I definitely need some cable management in my house right now. I literally feel cables on my legs. uh, don't worry, guys. It's all safe. Nothing bad is gonna happen. So I'm going here, there. Yeah, it does take some time to do all this. You will think like it's nothing to like. That's what I said at the beginning. Like it's my dream job. But I mean, it is my dream job. But in a sense, so that's to unmount the rack and then turn off rack position. Okay. I don't want to do that right now. And I'm almost used half of the wire, if you guys can believe that. So let's turn the switch on and let's turn each individual one on. I'm curious if any of you guys can tell me in the comments how they power on, because again I don't see any power cables. So like I'm assuming a server is like a PC, but maybe there is something to do with the rack, as I said before. But let me know in the comments if you guys know. I'm really interested, to be honest. And yep. Wait, I'm a bit stupid, am I not? It said here that this one gets 40,000, yeah? IOPS. If I use this other one, does that mean I can use it on another customer? The same ones? Yo, imagine if that's the case. Okay. For now, I will just use... Wait. I think there's so many in one switch only. So instead of using that one, wait. So I can't... Ah, right. Okay, that's stupid of me, I guess. So I can remove the cable. Okay. So instead of using this one, right? Even though I'm using a lot of, yeah. I'll take it from here, go there at the top, then go all the way here, then here, then here, and right here, connected to this one, and directly inside there. So now we are back. Nice. So now we have this rack here, which we can use. We can remove this and we can connect this to this one, right? And then this big boy here downstairs can connect right here, go up, and then connect exactly here. And now the idea is that each one, well, let's see, switch, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, this one is going through this and connecting there. And then I need to remove one more. So I'll get this one here at the top. Wait, let's see if I can. This one, which is this big boy here, is going there and is connecting right here. So now these two servers are connecting to this board. And this board is sending out information to the switch. The switch also has a lot of other stuff, right? But then from this port here, I'm assuming that's how it works. All this information here from these two servers is going in the board and is going in the switch. Or at least I hope so. And then from the switch, I can go there. But I have a feeling I'm missing out, and it should have been everything from the switch will be transferred here, and then this one can go there. So I will try both. I'll try the switch first. If it doesn't work, then definitely this one will give me all the servers connected to the same one. So let's go for this one. And now we can set up our customer, which is that joke database. I guess a database about... Oh, I really hate that I can't go down. Why can't I just go down and like... Can I somehow crouch? No. Well, let's see controls. Spring... Oh yeah, there is C. Okay, nice. So that jokes for that one. That jokes for this one. That jokes for... That jokes. That jokes. Nice. And now what we need to do is see the subnet is 25.5.14. So we start with this one at the bottom. .25, 5, 14 point, and I'm gonna copy this time because I'm not stupid like last time, and I'm gonna go with 1. Okay, so duplicate because this is the main one. So then I can delete this one and I'll do 2. I can click OK. But it hasn't been connected. Oh yeah, shit. I forgot. Alright, I think this is the actual way. It needs to go from here, up there, all the way here, then all the way there, all the way here, and then connect it there. Is that on? Wait, let's leave this one. Oh shit, so it's not working. No server is working. Why is that? Okay. I wish I can just take the cable out and put it there instead of like removing it altogether. Alright, so let's do this one then. From the switch. Top, right here. It's still not working. So why is that? Is it working now? Oh, I can even zoom in. Why is it not working? Did I choose the wrong company? No, that's the correct one. 25.5.14. Right? 25.514.027. 25.514.1. What about if I use this one? Yeah, so let's say I go for this one. And I paste point, wait, my bad, 0.3. Okay, so this one gets connected. Right. And it goes straight here. And then from here it goes there. Alright, let's connect all of these. And then we're gonna figure out why the other one is not connecting. So that's 0.4. That's 0.5. That's 0.6. 0.7, and this one 0.8. Wait, no, this one here. It's 0.9. That's 0.10. That's 0.11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 15, 16. Oh shit, I got all of them already. Oh no, I need two more. Okay, no, my bad. I'm stupid. Because we're starting from 0.2, right? So what was the last one? 16, 17. So now it needs one more. So we need to figure out why this one doesn't want to work. So it goes from there, it goes up, and it goes here. And then even this one who is connected right here, it still works. So what the issue is? What's the issue? Let's see, maybe. Why can't I just remove it though? Okay, let's take this one. And let's connect it here then. Maybe this will work. It is definitely on. Still 25, 5, 14, yeah. So what's the problem? So these ones, as you can see, it shows that they are connected. So confused. Maybe we can do 18. Again, 25, 5, 14.18. And I have 7 minutes left to figure this one out. What am I doing wrong? Like, why is this one here just being connected there and working, but this one being connected there not working? Maybe I can move it further. Okay. I'm trying again. Maybe sometimes it just doesn't work. So look, I'm connecting it. I've got it connected. Let's turn it on. Okay. Does it actually have to be connected in the same rack? Is that really important at all? 15. Hmm. Ah, okay. So let's do it. So listen what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna take this one from here, connect it right here. Is it working now? So is it less? Oh, now it's less than before. Right. Is that connected to itself? No, this is the main one. Okay, right. No problem. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna try connect it again. So now we have two. Yo, I'm really confused. So this one, okay, this one is gonna go right here. Is it working at all? So confused and the time is running out. So one of them is sending signals, but the other one is not doing anything. And I don't get it. Okay, I'm just gonna remove all the wires from this. Removed, 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 and even this one removed. So how many ports? How many ports on one of these? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 8, 8. So I'm missing. Okay, so now okay, so I have enough for all of them, but the problem is one of them always will need to be extra. So that's switch. Okay. Let me do something else. Just in case. Maybe it will work. Maybe not. So I'll take all of this. Wait. Guys, this is my last hope. I really hope it's gonna work. Because I don't know. Otherwise, I really don't know what else I can do, to be honest. Okay, so now 4 of them. No, it should be 8 of them. Yeah, I'm gonna do exactly like this. I'm gonna take all of them, connect them to this. And then hopefully everything else will be able to work. One day I added something. It says 0 servers. Yeah, because I'm gonna move. Wait, not this one. This one, no. I need this one free. I'm gonna take this one, connect it at the top, and then see if it will actually work. So I have 40,000. So how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the 8 are working, but this one doesn't work. So it can't be from the switch. It has to be from here. And now nothing. Wow, I'm so confused. What's the point of this then? If it doesn't work. Oh, and I have one more second. Well, I tried. I really tried. Yeah, this is it for this video. I really enjoyed it. I think this is a game for me, and you can tell by the time I actually spent playing this game. If you guys have the solution for this, like obviously I know if I looked at the tutorial, I would have probably figured it out. But yeah, I will appreciate it if you guys tell me in the comments what am I, like an explanation for what I'm doing wrong. Because in my head, I don't even know what this panel is. Yeah, here I know this is a switch, but I have 16 servers and I want to connect all of them to the switch. But then I'm not gonna have an out of the switch. So in my head, I was thinking these switches, like one of those ports will go into this one, and then from this one, it will go here. But that will mean that the speed will be declining because it's only going to be one cable. Does that mean I have to put more cables from here to there? I'm not sure, to be honest. But yeah, it looks like it still doesn't work. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the game. Again, as I told you, you can find everything in the description. And yeah, that's about it. The very positive reviews on Steam are correct. And I was Alex, and this was Gameplay Addicted series. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.